what I think is that Israel proved again that our imagination is endless. We can hit and get our enemies anytime. And but the problem is, it's something that they never learn, and they'll continue with their agenda to destroy the state of Israel. I just hope that the Israeli government will just continue, surprise our enemies, and end the situation, because it won't end without a war.
I think we're in a war for almost a year, and we're in a war for 70 years, so something needs to happen, and if it's going to be hard, we will be there and we'll wait until it will end. Israel should fight and fight hard until we have quiet here. So my kids will have a good life, not like ours.
It was a great thing, I think, very clever, very focused, and I thank God that it happened. It's the time to punish the wrong people, the bad people, the ignorant people.
I think well done to the army. Feels like finally the army are doing something to return all the residents of the north back to their homes, and may this be not the first, but definitely on our way to getting our country back to how it was.